Imagine waking up and going to work in a car drives itself, face recognition before you enter your office. You get to work and hop into a call with your colleagues, but audio sound not clear, and your colleagues can't hear you very well. But no worries, a real-time transcript of your call available on screen. Searching for information using any search engine. All these are real-world examples of artificial intelligence. Hi, this is Nevine Asfour, Head of IT Department at Alexandria International School and Microsoft Fellow. Let's go deeper and know more information about AI. I'm going to share my screen. We can give computer the ability to think for themselves and make our lives easier. Now you must be thinking, what's AI? AI is the ability of computer to perform human tasks and replicate human thinking and behavior. It refers to intelligent systems that can recognize objects. Do you know what's the different types of AI? We have three types of AI. We have narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. We are going to start with narrow AI. Narrow AI is the only type of AI humans have successfully created. It is simple and goal-oriented, in which it can perform very specific tasks as it is programmed to do. Examples of narrow AI like face recognition, speech recognition, voice assistance, driving a car. Siri and image classification considers a type of narrow AI. If we start talking about artificial intelligence, so its backbone is machine learning. Most of AI applications are based on machine learning, which is a tool and methodology to achieve AI. Traditionally, we find or we get or we use input, then the algorithm to find the output. But in machine learning, it's different. We start usually with input, and then we try to collect an output. Why? To find algorithm, to find a way to program the machine to think. So we are going to start with input, then examples for output, then we are going to find algorithm. Simple example for that, if I want to differentiate between the yellow color and the red color, I want to program the machine to do this. How I can do this? Simply, I'm going to collect yellow pictures and collect green pictures, and then I'm going to label each picture. After I label each picture, I'm going to train the model. Train the model means to know each picture, the yellow one and its name, the label of it, and the green one and the name of it. Okay, so I'm going to label each picture. After this, when I train the model, then we will create an algorithm which will be used later when testing. An example for that, or an application we can use it to do this, is LOBE. What's LOBE? LOBE is to build machine learning models with a very easy way. From where I can get it, I can download it. I can use it in Windows and Mac also. Is it a free program? Yes, it's a free program. So let's start and go from where I can get it for the first time only. You must download it in your computer. How I can download it in my computer? I'm going to use Power Automate to download it, and then I'm going to use AI Builder, then Models. If I go down like this, I'm going to find this one, classify your images based on this one, okay? So from here, I can download the application. I already downloaded before, so I'm going to type the name of the application here. It will be open like this. So I'm going to choose new project. Step 1, I'm going to label. I'm going to label the pictures. How I can label them? I'm going to choose the word import from here. I already download different pictures here. I have 3 different types of plant. I want to classify the difference between these 3 types. I want to let the computer programmed and know what is the name of this plant. Let's start it. I'm going to find this picture. I'm going to upload it like this. Open here. Okay, so I'm going to label. Step 1, I'm going to label them. Okay, I'm going to label them by its name. So here, if I click, I will find the name, which I already choose it. So I'm going to label each picture like this. Click and choose, click and choose. Okay, this is the first kind of plant. So I'm already classify only one type. Let's go to the second step. If I want to go to the second step, number 1, import images, and I already did. Step 2, create 2 labels. What do I mean by the word 2 labels? I must have more types of plant. I must classify another type of plant. So I'm going to return back here, and then I'm going to choose import again, and then pictures. Okay, let's go to the second type. This one. Choose the pictures which I already downloaded like this, and then choose open. Okay, so then I'm going, step 2, I'm going to label them. I'm going to label them. Okay, label each picture. Here, if I click, I'm going to choose the right name. Okay, so that's the second type of plants. If I need to upload third type, it's okay. Let's upload the third type. How I can upload the third type? By the same way. This sound is the train. When the train finished here, if I have a look, I'm going to find the first type and its name, and then down the second type and its name. If I go down like this, I will find the second type and its name. Let's upload the third type. I'm going to choose images. Okay. No. So copy. The third one like this. And then open. Again, I'm going to rename it or label it like this. If I rename 1 or 2 pictures, then I will find the name of it like this. I'm going to choose it, pick it from here. Okay. So that's the third type of plant. I already upload 3 different types of plants. And each picture, each group, this is the first type, second type, and the third type. Step 2, train. Here I will find the picture and its name like this. Step 3, I want to use this model. How I can use this model? Simply, I'm going to test it. How I can test it? I'm going to choose the word use. Then I'm going to choose import. Here is a group of pictures which I didn't use before to test my system. So I'm going to choose this picture, for example. Oh, it already uploaded and the name of it is written right. So I'm going to choose right from here. Okay. Let's try another picture from import the same way. Use, then import. Let's go to another kind. Okay. This one, for example, testing. These group of pictures, I didn't use them before, okay? When I uploaded, the right name written here, so I'm going to choose right. Very good, okay? Let's choose another one. Okay, testing pictures, which I didn't upload it before. Yes, it is right, so I'm going to choose the word right. So I programmed the computer to know the different kinds of plants to write its name. And then I can also export this, export it web to Power Platform, export it to Android app, web app, okay? If I use Power application here, I must sign in for the first time, okay? And then I can use it in Power Automate. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you understand what's artificial intelligence, and you must start learning what's artificial intelligence as it's the new language, the world language. So all of us must start to know deeper about artificial intelligence, machine learning. Thank you very much.